Hi students, today we are going to discuss about calendar topic in quantitative aptitude. In a calendar, we will be having three types of years, where one ordinary year, leap year and solar year. Ordinary year consists of 365 days and it consists of 52 weeks and one odd day. We can see the calculation here. 365 days will be divided by 7 days per week, then it will be 7 5s are 35 and we will have a remainder of 1 and we'll have 5, then it will be like 7 2s are 14 and we are having one remainder. It is 52 weeks plus 1 day. This is calendar year. Yeah. For leap year, we will be having 366 days. When we divide it by a 7, then it will be 7 5 are 35, 116, and then 7 2s are 14. We will be having 2 remainder and 52 is the weeks and 2 is 2 of the days. We will get leap year once in for every 4 years and we are having a solar year. We will be having 365 days and 6 hours, where we can divide it as 365 with with 7, then we will be having 7 5 are 35 plus 1 5, 7 2s are 14, 1 52 weeks plus 1 day equal to 365 plus 6 hours divided by 24, because we are having 24 hours in a day, that is equal to 365.25. Yeah. One solar year means the time taken by the Earth to rotate around the Sun. It will take 365 days and 6 hours. Because of this 365 days 6 hours, 6 hours if we multiply with 4, then it is 24 hours. That's why we are getting leap year for every 4 hours. One extra day for every 4 years. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about days in a months. January we will be having 31, February we are having 28 or 29, March we are having 31, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, August 31, September 30, October 31, November 30, and December 31. Here we can see that February is only the month which are having less than 30 days, and every after apart from February, if you can see that 30 is followed by 31, 30 is followed by 31. That is the sequence, but in July and August only we are having 31 consecutively, and February we are having 28 or 29 days. These are all the only 3 months which don't follow the order, and 29 29 is for, we will get 29 every 4 years. Once in a 4 years. If we get 29 in the February, then it is called as leap year. Feb 29 year is leap year. Then we'll have a concept. We will discuss about concept of leap year. To check whether the given year is a leap year or not. To check if the given year is a leap year or not, we have to divide last two digits of a given year by 4. If remainder is 0, then it is a leap year. Suppose if we take year 2022, then if we have to take last two digits 22, then we have to divide it by 4. Then 4 5s are 20. We have remainder 2. Then 2022 is not a leap year. Okay. If we take year 2020, then if we take 2020, last two digits of 2020, then it is 20 divided by 4, then 4 5 are 20, then 0. We are getting remainder as 0, then it is a leap year. We should also note some points that not all centuries are leap years. Means if we divide every century ending with a double zero, if we divide double zero, then it is divisible by 4, but it is not a leap. But we should not consider some centuries as leap year. We have to consider only the multiplies of 4 centuries to be leap year, like 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 2400 are the leap years. Other than this, there are all centuries are not leap years. This is the concept of leap year. Now we will discuss about codes. Means these are the codes we have to remember in order to solve the problems in our upcoming videos. Okay. Days codes. Monday we will represent as 1. Tuesday 2. Wednesday 3. Thursday 4. Friday 5. Saturday 6. Sunday 7 or 0. Now the months codes are January 0. February 3, March 3, April 6, May 1, June 6, 4, July 6, August 2, September 5, October 0, November 3, December 5. These are the codes we need to remember in order to solve the calendar questions in quantitative aptitude. And now we are going to discuss about century codes. If the year range is from 1 to 100 years, then it is 0. If year range is from 101 to 101 to 200 years, then it is 5. If year range is from 201 to 300, then it is 1. 301 to 400, 1. It follows the pattern 0531, 0531, 0531. Like this, it follows the pattern. These are the things you need to remember when we are going to solve the quantitative aptitude calendar problems. Thank you, students.